Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I am doing a bikini try-on haul. I was gifted 5 bikinis that I was able to choose from Bright Swimwear. I will be linking the links to the bikinis down in my description box below. If you are only here for the try-on haul, just skip to the timestamp right here. If you are interested in seeing the bikinis that I got, just keep on watching. So every bikini that I got is a different style and a different pattern. I wanted to try every single one of their styles because why have the same bikini over and over again in a different pattern? So you will be seeing 5 different styles. My first favorite one is this pink and white bikini. So these are the bikini bottoms. I made sure to choose the least amount of coverage per bikini bottom. I don't like a full back. I don't like cheekies. I personally love thong bikinis. So I chose these swim bottoms because you can scrunch the back so it could look like a thong. And obviously I don't really like tan lines too much. You can scrunch it as little as you want, or you can release it so it covers as much as you want. So let me show you a top that I got with this. This is the top. It's really cute. It's like a little bandeau top, and it has a little strap that you can just wear over your neck. I really love the metal clasp in the back as well. So this is the first bikini. Okay, so moving on to bikini number 2. Let's start with the bottoms. Ooh, it doesn't cover too much, but it covers like just enough. I think it's a very cute bikini. I really love the top that it came with. I'm not gonna lie, the pink bikini and this bikini I already wore just because I was so excited. I wasn't going to. I was actually gonna do an unboxing in front of you guys, but I was so excited for these bikinis that I was just like, I'll play it off and put them back in the bags. I even attached the original tags to make it seem like it, but I'm gonna come clean right now. I already wore those 2 bikinis, so I was like so excited. These are my 2 favorite out of the bunch. I didn't even like try on the other ones, so far these were my 2 favorites. So this is the top. And I honestly didn't wear the top how it was supposed to be worn, because you can wear it 2 ways. You can wear it this way, or I wore it a little differently. Like I flipped it upside down and I tied the strap behind me. And then I kind of made it like into a strapless bandeau because I didn't want to get tan lines. So this top, if you get it, you can wear it a bunch of different ways. Get creative. So these 3 bikinis I haven't tried on yet. So I don't know what they look like. So we're gonna do this together. The first 2, I kind of finagled it, but let's try. Okay, so love the pattern, love the material. By the way, these are so soft and they dry really quickly. So if you're at the beach and you wanna go swimming, like they will be dry in the sun within like 30 minutes. So this is like a full coverage back for me. I will definitely give myself a wedgie and just tan in that. If you are looking for a fuller coverage bikini, I guess this might be your style. For me, literally making this into a thong. Super cute. Let's see what the top looks like. Very good quality bathing suits. Some of the bathing suits that I buy or get gifted don't have this quality, so I'm very, very impressed with the quality of the swimsuits. Like the fabric, you could tell is definitely high quality fabric. Obsessed. I wonder if my boobs are gonna look good in this, because sometimes like smaller boobs don't look good in every single style, so I'm hoping that my boobs are gonna look good. I'm a 32B now. I used to be a 32C, but so this pattern is really cute, and they were actually sold out of the style that I wanted to get originally. So I got this one instead. Super cute. The pattern is amazing. I love the tie around. I am obsessed with the tie around because you could tie them like low, so it's a low hip, or you can tie them high, so it could be like a high cut 80s kind of vibe. I personally love tying my bikinis like high up. You will see my tan lines and they're just literally like this, and it's so funny. But so love this bathing suit bottom. Let's see the top. This is just like a standard top. I feel like every single swimwear brand has this classic top, and this is like the best one because you can also tie it a bunch of different ways. So when I'm tanning, I just honestly tie everything like this. Okay, so this is bikini number 5. I got the same style that I did in the rose pattern, and this is super cute. Love the tie around bikini. Personally, I really love the simplicity of this bathing suit. It's like a little terry cloth, so it's not like your typical swimsuit material, but I really love the feel of it. I think it's going to be super cute, and you already know I'm gonna give myself a wedgie in these because this is too much coverage for me, but for a lot of people this is perfect. So super cute. And I got a matching top to it, and the top is the same one as the rose pattern bathing suit. So let me show you. Again, there's no padding in this, so it's literally perfect. You know what it is? I feel like this swimwear brand honestly feels super expensive. It's like a bikini that you would get at like old Abercrombie & Fitch. I don't know if you guys remember those days, but like the old Abercrombie & Fitch bathing suits, just like super high quality. They last for years. Let me go try these on for you. So this is the swimsuit. I already broke it. I don't know if it's my fault or the swimsuit's fault. The clasp just cracked when I was putting it on. It happened, it broke. I used a hair tie to fix the situation. If that happens to you, you could just honestly get a new clasp, or you can just find a string that matches the pattern of your bathing suit, or I'm sure you can reach out to the brand and I'm sure they're going to help you figure out the situation. It sucks because this is my favorite bathing suit. This is my favorite style. I love this bathing suit. It's great for tanning and it's just great in general. So these two come out, which is great. This is also adjustable. So if you feel like this is too tight, you can make it looser, or if you feel that this is too loose, you can obviously make it tighter. Love the pattern, love the swimsuit. Okay, so this is swimsuit number 2. This is how it's supposed to be worn. I will be showing you guys how I wear it. I love the pattern and I just love this swimsuit. I think it's very cute. It's very summery. It's perfect. Love it. It's like this from the back. So there's actually 3 ways you can wear this bathing suit. You can tie it up here and you can wear it like this. And I've worn it like this too. I kind of forgot about it. So you can wear this bathing suit like this, which is really cute. There's actually more than 3 ways. You can wear it like this. There's like 4 ways to wear this top. This is great. Or this is how I wear it. This is how I honestly wear every single bathing suit because I always look to get a tan and no tan lines. So I just wear it like this and I tuck in these to the sides and I go to the beach and this is how I do it. But yeah, so this top's great. You can wear it 4 different ways. Awesome. Super cute, very comfortable. Love the top, love the bottoms. Already hiked them up. So I was worried that the top wasn't going to fit properly and my boobs are gonna look a little awkward and weird because in some of the bathing suits that I have ordered prior, the tops just didn't look good. Like sometimes they just look better on bustier women, but this top looks good on smaller busts and I think it's gonna look really good on like a bigger bust as well. So definitely a great bikini. So I really wanted to get this pattern, but in a different top. I wanted to get it in that bandeau one, like the pink and white one that I showed you first, but they were sold out. They only had a medium and I went with this top instead and I'm actually very happy. I really like all of my bathing suits. Obsessed, old money vibes, Abercrombie & Fitch vibes, very Ralph Lauren vibes as well. I love this bikini, love the pattern, love the material. This is it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you subscribe and hit the post notification bell button so you don't miss any videos from me. I'll see you guys soon with a new video.